Springs, and we're going to attempt the 4-mile run trail. Kind of an overcast day, but we're still gonna go biking, so let's go. Okay, we're on the trail. Here we are in Arlington, do you believe it? Wow. There's moderate foot traffic. There's some small inclines, but if I can get over those inclines, you can do it too. Okay, that was a great detour. Now we're gonna get back on the W&OD. We made it to the castle. I don't think it's built. I think it's like demolished, but I think there's stone, so let's go searching. Pretty lonely up here. I brought my mace with me. I think we're coming to the castle wall stones. Not much to look at right here in Arlington, a castle. This trail was so entertaining. There was a lot to see and do. So get out there and get biking.